Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can know who is stalking you on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. When you go to Facebook, when you go to your story, you will be able to see who have viewed your story. That way you can know that how many people are often active when your stories are uploaded, and that's when you can also see the constant likes from a certain profile, and you can know that they might be stalking you. Next, what you can check on is you can check on people you may know suggestions. So first of all, when you find you may know suggestions, that means the people might have been your friends, or some people who might have even searched your particular, might be mutual with your friends, or might have searched your account as well. Those are the people who are constantly shown on people you may know suggestions. That's what you can do as well. You can also review your professional dashboard insights. For that, you have to go to your profile. You will find your dashboard. When you go to the dashboard section, you should be able to find how many profiles in your reach. You can check out in the views, and you can go to the audience section. You can check it out, a little bit of information like that as well. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.